Everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to transfer money from your BBVA account to a Santander account, whether it's in the same country or an international transfer, all updated for 2025. Let's get started. Step 1. Log in to the BBVA app or online banking. Open the BBVA mobile app or visit the BBVA website and log in using your username and password. Make sure your app is up to date for the best experience. Step 2. Go to Transfers. From the home screen, tap on Transfers or Send Money. Choose whether you want to make a domestic transfer or an international transfer, depending on where the Santander account is located. Step 3. Add the recipient's bank information. Enter the details for the Santander account, including full name of the recipient, IBAN or account number, BIC or SWIFT code for international transfers, address if required for international transfers. Step 4. Enter the amount and currency. Choose how much money you want to send and the currency. If it's an international transfer, BBVA will show the exchange rate and any fees before you confirm. Step 5. Review and confirm the transfer. Double-check all the recipient details and the amount. Then tap Confirm or Submit to finalize the transaction. You may be asked to enter a verification code or use your BBVA key for extra security. Tips. Domestic BBVA to Santander transfers usually arrive the same day or next business day. International transfers may take 1 to 3 business days depending on the country. Always make sure recipient details are correct to avoid delays or failed transfers. And that's it. You've just transferred money from BBVA to Santander in 2025 quickly and securely. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy-to-follow bank tutorials. Thanks for watching.